80 foot of sawmill track. Laid out, washed up for starting to drill a bunch of holes in it for all the legs. So I gotta flip them over, measure where the legs go, and start drilling a gazillion holes. That's what 80 foot of sawmill track looks like. Probably lost my mind. Over here are the legs. Now we got them off the trailer. Off the trailer. These are the ones that are higher off the where it's already been sawed. Little perch there for on these for the rollers, so I won't have to build anything afterwards. And this is one of the shorter ones. This goes on the log deck side, no rollers. And here's all the legs. They gotta be wire brushed, painted black, and then drill holes in the track to accept them.